Good day. My name is Boniso Dlamini from the North Coast Korea. We are on the Glendale Road here, the road from Shagaskal to all the way to Glendale. And if you go up here, there's a truck that is being banned by protesters. Apparently, the protest is about the load shedding, and also we understand that last night there was another protest in Itete and Garville. But the R102 is currently open right now, and the only road that is blocked is this road that goes to Glendale. So if you're coming from Glendale or planning to go to Glendale, you must find alternative routes, which is the way you can take the Slambe road and join this road further up, or you can take the road from Martin Luther going towards Glendale. So as we get more information about this situation, we'll keep you updated. Thank you very much.
Oh. Hey mfethu. Ithanga likaqhumi. Yo.